Okay, let's start. I missed this page, so it says 3.3b, fractions on a number line. These are tricky, so be careful because you can make mistakes in this one. What fraction is represented by point T? First of all, I need to count all of my pieces here. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 little pieces, okay? And my letter T is in piece number 3. 1, 2, 3. Do I have this answer? Yes. This one. The number line represents a distance of a mile. Which of these number line does n represent half of a mile? So half, you have, this is 1/4. It's not half. This one is 2 out of 4. And this one looks like half. 2 is half of 4. This one, it's not divided equally. This is not even a fraction. And this one is 1, this 1, 2, 3. This is 1/3. Okay? So my answer is letter B. 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4. 2 is half of 4. That's my half a mile. Let's do this one. Again, count all the little pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 here. Then I have 8 here. So if I keep counting, I will get to 16. And then I have 8 more. So that's 24. And I have 8 more. That is 32. I have 32 pieces. And my letter is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My letter is in the 5th piece out of 32 little pieces. So this is my correct answer. Okay? Which point represents 2 wholes and 3/4? That is very interesting. This is 1 because this line is longer than these ones. So I guess this is 1. This line is longer. This is 2. This line is longer. This is 3. And that's 4. And then they are subdivided into little parts. It's subdivided into fourths. So if I want 2 wholes, it must be either this one right here or this one right here because it has to be 2 wholes and more. Okay, and now I'm gonna focus on 3/4. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 2 wholes up to here is 2 wholes, 2 complete items, and then this is 3 out of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 and 3, you have 4 little pieces. So this is 2 wholes with 3/4. This is point Z.